Did you know your body won't let you hiccup while breathing in? Let's test it. So you try to take a big deep breath, but then you just can't help it. You gotta hiccup. But try as you might, you just can't seem to hiccup while breathing in. It's like your body just won't allow it. Well, it turns out that hiccups are sudden muscle spasms in your diaphragm, and they only happen during exhalation. So when you're breathing in, your diaphragm is already contracted, meaning there's no room for a hiccup attack. So try yourself and comment if you could do it. And don't forget to follow 4 more brain-tickling facts.
Thanks so much for watching. Your support truly means the world to me. Please drop a comment to share your thoughts and subscribe.